and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer when we lose our way. Lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, to a place where we'll be safe.
I pray we'll find your light.
I pray we'll find your light
And hold it in our heart.
and hold it in our hearts.
When stars go out each night,
Stars go out each night.
remind us where you are. Let this be our prayer
Let this be our prayer
when shadows fill our day.
when shadows fill our days.
Lead us to a place,
Guide us with your grace.
give us faith so we'll be safe.
A world where pain and sorrow will be ended, and every heart that's broken will be mended, and we'll remember we are all God's children, reaching out to touch you, reaching to the sky. We ask that life be kind and watch us from above. We hope each soul will find another soul to love. Let this be our prayer. Let this be our prayer.
Just like every child,
Just like every child.
need to find a place.
Guide us with your grace. Give us faith so we'll be saved.